everyone, welcome to Sunshine Yoga. My name is Rashmi and I'm so excited today because today's video is first from my series Come Practice With Me. So no detailed tutorial for today, it's just me on my mat and you there on your mat. We're gonna practice together and it's going to be so much fun. In today's video, let's practice 12 rounds of Sun Salutation or Surya Namaskar. Those who have practiced Sun Salutation before, they can straight away hop onto the mat and practice with me. But those who have never done Sun Salutation, don't worry, just watch this video how to do Sun Salutation correctly from my channel. Learn how to do Sun Salutation and then come practice with me. So let's hop onto the mat and begin. Come in the center of the mat, little distance in the feet, hands 45 degrees away from the body. Close your eyes. We'll start by taking a few deep breaths. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Relax, feet together. Feet are hip width apart now, both hands on the waist, elbows stretched in the back. Let's start with the neck rotation. Start. 1, 2. Go slow, keep your eyes opened. 3, 4, 5. Center, start opposite, anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3. Inhale while going up, exhale, coming down. 5, 6. Relax, center. Now stretch your both arms in the front. Make a fist and start rotating your hands. Start. 1. Don't bend your elbows. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Start opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Relax. Little more distance in your feet, both hands on the waist. Start rotating your waist. Start. 1, 2. Move it nicely. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Relax. Start opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Relax. Now come on the top of your mat. We'll start with Sun Salutation, round 1. Now inhale and while exhaling, palms together. Inhale, take both your arms up, arch back. Exhale, go forward. Head towards your knee. Inhale, stretch your right leg back. Look up. Hold your breath, another leg back, plank position. Exhale, knees down, chest down, chin down. Inhale, slide forward, arch back. Exhale, tuck your toe in, lift your hips up. Inhale, right leg forward in between the hands, look up. Exhale, another leg forward, head towards your knee. Inhale, take both your arms up, arch back. Exhale, relax. Inhale, exhale, palms together. Inhale, take both your arms up, arch back. Exhale, go forward. Inhale, left leg back. Hold your breath, another leg back. Exhale, knees down, chest down, chin down. Inhale, slide forward, arch back. Exhale, tuck your toe, inverted V. Inhale, left leg forward, look up. Exhale, another leg forward. Inhale, take your arms up, arch back. Exhale, relax. So are you ready to do a little faster now? Let's start. Inhale, exhale, 1. Inhale, 2. Exhale, 3. Inhale, 4. Hold, 5. Exhale, 6. Inhale, 7. Exhale, 8. Inhale, 9. Exhale, 10. Inhale, 11. Exhale, relax. Inhale, exhale, 1. Inhale, 2. Exhale, 3. Inhale, 4, left. Hold your breath, 5, plank. Exhale, 6. Inhale, 7. Exhale, 8. Inhale, 9. Exhale, 10. Inhale, 11. Exhale, 12. Inhale, exhale, 1. Inhale, 2. Exhale, 3. Inhale, 4. Hold your breath, 5. Exhale, 6. Inhale, 7. Exhale, 8. Inhale, 9. Exhale, 10. Inhale, 11. Exhale, 12. Inhale, exhale, 1. Inhale, 2. Exhale, 3. Inhale, 4. Hold your breath, 5. Exhale, 6. Inhale, 7. Exhale, 8. Inhale, 9. Exhale, 10. Inhale, 11. Exhale, 12. Relax. So inhale, exhale, 1. Inhale, 2. Exhale, 3. Inhale, 4. Hold your breath, 5. Exhale, 6. Inhale, 7. Exhale, 8. Inhale, 9. Exhale, 10. Inhale, 11. Exhale, 12. Inhale, exhale, 1. Inhale, 2. Exhale, 3. Inhale, 4, left. Hold your breath, 5. Exhale, 6. Inhale, 7. Exhale, 8. Inhale, 9. Exhale, 10. Inhale, 11. Exhale, 12. Let's add some variations. Inhale, exhale, 1. Inhale, 2. Exhale, bend forward. Head towards your knee. Inhale, pull right leg back. Look up. Now take both your hands up above your head and look in between your hands. Very nice. Come back. Now take your left leg back. Plank position. Body in one straight line. Now exhale, knees down, chest down, chin down. Inhale, slide forward, head up, chest down. Exhale, inverted V. Press your heels down on the mat. Now take your right leg up, straight up. Very nice. Now inhale, bring the same leg forward in between your hands. Back knee down, look up. Exhale, another leg forward, head towards your knee. Inhale, take both your arms up, arch back. Exhale, relax. 10th round. Just 2 more rounds after this. Inhale, exhale, palms together. Inhale, take both your arms up, arch back. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, left leg back this time. Look up. Now take both your hands up above your head. Look in between your hands. Come back. Take your right leg back. Plank position. Exhale, knees down, chest down, chin down. Inhale, slide forward, arch back. Exhale, inverted V. This time, lift your left leg up, toe pointed, knee straight. Very nice. Bring your left leg forward in between the hands. Back knee down, look up. Exhale, another leg forward. Head towards your knee. Inhale, take both your arms up, arch back. Exhale, relax. Very nice. If you're feeling it difficult to continue, you can just feel free to lie down in Shavasana, and you did good. And if you want to continue, just do the last 2 rounds with me, and we are doing these 2 rounds with little holding time. Inhale, exhale, palms together. Inhale, take both your arms up, arch back. Exhale, bend forward, head towards your knee. Inhale, right leg back, look up. Hold your breath, another leg back, plank position. Exhale, knees down, chest down, chin down. Inhale, slide forward, arch back. Exhale, inverted V. Press your heels down. Inhale, right leg forward, back knee down, look up. Exhale, another leg forward, head towards your knee. Inhale, both your arms up, arch back. Exhale, relax. One last round. Inhale, exhale, palms together. Inhale, take both your arms up, arch back. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, left leg back. Hold your breath, another leg back, plank position. Exhale, knees down, chest down, chin down. Inhale, slide forward, arch back. Exhale, tuck your toe in, inverted V. Inhale, left leg forward, look up. Exhale, another leg forward, head towards your knee. Inhale, take both your arms up, arch back. And exhale, relax. Feeling good, right? Just lie down in Shavasana after this. You did good job today. A total sense of accomplishment. Lie down on your mat, on your back, with your legs apart, mat width apart, and hands apart, 45 degrees from the body. Just relax completely. Take a few deep breaths here. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Just continue this. Bring your hands together in prayer position. Let's be thankful for the practice we had and be grateful for your life. Let's also pray for everyone in this world to be happy and peaceful. With this thought, start rubbing your palms together, generate some nice heat. Then make a cup and keep them on your eyes. Feel the warmth, then slowly looking at your palms, open your eyes. So how do you feel? Feeling nice and rejuvenated, right? So let me know in the comment box below, how do you feel after the practice, and did you really enjoy practicing with me? At least I definitely enjoyed a lot. And if you really want to practice more with me, and if you want to learn more of yoga, then do follow and subscribe Sunshine Yoga. Let me know if you have any feedback, comments, and if you have any requests for specific videos, do let me know in the comment box below, and you can contact me on the social media channels as well. Links are always there in my description box. So till then, keep practicing and stay healthy and stay happy. Thank you. Namaste.